Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Ashley Rose, and today I'm going to give you guys a makeup tutorial on natural glam. So this is my everyday go-to look. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Super easy. So I've already put my foundation on. I use Fenty. Right now I'm applying my concealer under my eyes and on my eyelid. I use Nars in the color Walnut. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm going to blend all of that out to even it out. Now, as you guys can see, I am just dabbing ever so lightly. I am not doing a circular motion, an up or down motion. I realized with my face, my skin, when I just dab, it blends out nicer than if I was to do any other motion. But hey, everyone has their own technique. Everyone's skin and face is different, but that's what works for me. So now I'm going in with my Fenty matchstick in the color Expresso, and I'm going to go in again with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend all of that out. Of course, I was messing with those lights, never ending story for me. Now I'm going to contour my nose and my forehead. I don't do anything too heavy. I'm now going to start setting my face with my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I do not like the oily, dewy look. I like more of a matte look, so I do set my face pretty heavily and I bake for quite some time. Yeah. If you don't want a matte look, I suggest using less setting powder. But yeah, like I said, I set and bake a lot, as you can see. I'm going to put my eyelashes on off camera. But so I go in with my ABH contour kit just to kind of give my eye a little definition. Now I'm just cleaning off all that setting powder. I had some glue stuck on my bottom eyelash. But yeah, so I just use my ABH contour kit to kind of clean up all that setting powder. Bada boom, bada bang. Ugh, oh my gosh, I have setting powder on the top of my lip. But anyway, so I'm contouring my face again using my ABH contour kit. I guess I still don't realize that I have setting powder on my lip, but I realized my eyelash needed to be fixed. Now I'm just going in with some Victoria's Secret's lip gloss. I'm using my pencil. Can't remember which lip pencil that is, guys, sorry, but I will put it down in the details later. I guess I got that setting powder off my lips. Now I'm just playing in my hair a little bit. I actually made this wig myself. Yes, the details for the hair will be under this video. But yeah, this is my everyday look. Super simple, super easy, and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Once again, Ashley Rose is out.